Before this video begins, I would just like to publicly state that this is for a general audience. This can be enjoyed by children and adults alike. Children under the age of 13 can enjoy this video for the Thomas & Friends brand itself. Teens and adults can also enjoy this video for its production value and nostalgia.
Thank you, Mayland Studios, and which bar? Let's go this.
Hey, Kiwi! Hey, Kiwi, hey! Hey, Kiwi! Kiwi!
What? What is it, mate? I'm trying to read the paper.
What happened to your voice, mate?
Dude, I'm a Kiwi. I'm from freaking New Zealand.
Oh, well that explains the accent and the boomerangs.
I told you, we're bananas!
Accent? I don't have a accent.
What's a hippo accent?
It's not a hippo. It's a hiccup.
Whoa, sounds like a hungry hippo.
It's hiccup. It's not funny.
What's the matter, Kiwi? You look all choked up.
Stop it. Hiccup. Oh man, I don't hiccup. It feels so good. Hiccup.
Are you okay?
Hiccup. 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 Hiccup.
What the heck's going on?
Oh no, everybody watch out! He's gonna blow!
What the heck was that?
Seriously, I heard that in the other. Oh my god!
That was Kiwi. He had the hippos.
Hiccups! He had the hiccups, you idiot!
What? Oh man, that's scary.
What are you talking about?
You've never heard about what happens when a fruit gets the hiccups?
No.
First, they hiccup. Then they
explode!
That's the most ridiculous thing I've ever hiccup. Uh-oh.
911, what's your emergency?
Yeah, we got an orange with a case of the hiccups here.
Please say again.
Said we have an orange with the hiccups.
No, you're screwed!
Alright, I'm out of ideas.
Look, everybody, the important thing right now is to just remain calm.
Hiccup.
No. Everybody just shut up. We're not going to freak out.
That's easy for you to say. You don't have an exploding hippo in your tummy.
Dude, it's not a hippo.
It's an exploding hippo.
Listen to me, Orange. Do you want to get rid of your hiccups?
Duh.
Then you have to do exactly what I tell you, okay?
Okay.
Okay, it's really simple. All you have to do is take a deep breath and hold it for 30 seconds.
Okay.
What? No, that never works. I always heard you had to stand on your head and cross your eyes.
Shouldn't he be humming?
What?
Yeah, I heard all he's got to do is hum the Star Spangled Banner. Works every time.
No, this is ridiculous. He's got to breathe into a paper bag, right?
No.
All he's got to do is hum the
that's
Star
not what I
Spangled
heard.
Banner.
Everybody just shut up.
No, that one never works. Wake up, Orange.
Oh, Orange.
Are you okay?
You turned out the lights.
Dude, you crashed and blacked out.
I did. Then why am I still orange?
Orange, do you hear that?
Yeah! His hiccups! They're gone!
Yay!
Well, that's what I call a close hiccup. Ah, crap.